Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift, Goodyear Dura-Tarac tires, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, tow hooks, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with tons of extra paneling and storage. There's speakers right next to it. And that'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. Onto the seats, you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar. Quite comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as your lighting controls. And onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your black badging. On the left side, you're just going to have your cruise control and forward collision alert. You're going to have an analog speedometer here as well, and pretty much everything is accessed through this dial. And you can see pretty much everything from your trip economy as well as vehicle gauges and maintenance, pretty much anything you can name. It's going to be push to start, classic column shifter onto the infotainment system, pretty self-explanatory. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as trailer lights and OnStar services and navigation. And you can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance. Climate control down below, you're going to have lane keep assist as well as your auto stop and hill descent control with your integrated brake controller, 2 USB ports, and as well as an AC wall charger. All right, in the center console, tons of extra storage up top. As you can see, pop off the seat. You're going to have storage under the seats as well. Put the seat back down, just find the tab, pull that, goes right back down. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same finish. You're gonna have the double glove box as well, with speakers and storage up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're gonna have these blacked out 20-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Dura-Tarac tires. Your Z71 badging with the black hood scoop, and then the black plastic mirror caps and door handles as well. Your Trail Boss badging in the back. Your black corner step bumper as well with the dual exhaust and trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. White Chevrolet across, and open up the bed. You're gonna have about 12 bed tie downs with 2 LED lamps and as well as an AC wall charger. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, same finish, storage and cup holders in the bottom next to the speakers. That's coming up with the power windows. Hop in, and quite a bit of leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, as well as right in the center. Cup holder and armrest, storage behind the seats as well, and storage under the seats. Lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift, built-in Wi-Fi hotspots, brand bed liner, crew cab, leg room, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.